a hydraulic control system. But on the A330, this heavyweight gear is replaced by an electronics called fly-by-wire. The pilot tells the flight computer what he wants to do, but it is the computer that translates this intention into action and executes the maneuver.
So if I want to go to the left, stick to the left. Round to the left.
The flight computer adjusts control surfaces and the aircraft turns left. Maneuvers like this cause the A330 to lose altitude. So the advanced computer compensates by increasing power and pitching the nose up to provide the right amount of lift. The pilot does nothing.
I take my hands off, and there we are. It's flying round. Vertical speed 0, 25 degrees of bank, 240 knots.